Hi, this is Rixi Bhatia. I'm the founder and designer at Half Full Curve. Half Full Curve is a body positive label. We started as a luxury curvy size label, but now we are a label that promotes being confident, being beautiful in your own skin, and just do not change who you are. We promote good fashion for everyone. Be beautiful just the way you are. Half Full Curve, as you all know, is a body positive label. We started because there was a lack of good clothing in sync with global trends for curvy women within India. Half Full Curve is a designer luxury label which promotes being body positive. We want women of all sizes, race, color, skin types to feel beautiful, to wear clothes that they like, that they want to wear, irrespective of what society wants them to wear. The collections at Half Full are a mix of Indian and modern. We do contemporary Indian, we do Western silhouettes, but the USP definitely is surface ornamentation. We love creating art through our surface textures, embroideries, color blocking, paneling. Everything is about creating gorgeous garments, beautiful garments, colorful garments, garments that make you happy when you wear them. At the same time, they bring out your personal style. The Indian market, the designer labels, they do not offer curvier sizes. Most of them offer only model sizes, which is small, medium, and max to max large. Half Full Curve works in reverse. We offer you off the rack curvier sizes, and the smaller sizes have to place the orders. We customize across all sizes, right from an extra small to UK size 20, 22, whichever size you would prefer, and we do not charge extra for any of that. Whatever size you are, whatever body type, our clothes will fit you as per your measurement. The society believes that curvy women should not wear anything other than black, they should not wear anything that's fitted, they should not wear stripes or big bold prints or colors, but you will be surprised. Curvy women are way more confident than your regular skinny women. They want to flaunt their body types. They are very confident. They need clothes that make them look sexy, feel beautiful. They want to wear things that are in sync with global trends. They do not want to be covered in kurtas and loose shirts or oversized clothing. We have met so many women who are so inspirational to us. These women have walked our shows, they have been a part of the shoots, and they just they're such an inspiration to us. They just want to feel beautiful, and they bring that confidence in front of the camera, on the ramp, and in their everyday lives. Brides should just feel beautiful on their wedding day. It's the most important day of their lives. They should just be happy and wear what they want to wear. If you are a curvy bride, just wear something that will suit your body type. Don't go by what's in sync, what's in trend, what the Bollywood women are wearing. Don't. Choose the color that works for you, whether it's a bold color, it's a pastel color, it's a subtle color. Just go with what makes you feel happy. You can wear a high waist lehenga, you can wear a nice crop top, you can wear a nice low cut blouse, do a nice dupatta. For your Sangeet functions, you can do a very nice floor length anarkali, you can do a bustier with a high waist skirt and a jacket thrown on top. There are just too many variations. Just be confident and flaunt your individual style. Indian women have varied body types. They could be big on the chest, they could have a stomach, or big on the hips. One size chart does not work for everybody, and especially the global size chart or UK, US, Australian does not work for Indian women. All of us are different heights, different sizes, and so hence we do need a size chart that works for Indian women across all body types. We at Half Full Curve have worked on a specific size chart which works for curvy women, which is flattering for them, which works around each of their body types. We also size the garments as per each person when they come to us for customization. But yes, Indian women cannot be wearing the same silhouettes as women across the world because our body type is made differently. We're not as athletic, we're not as lean. Even as a curvy person, we are not as taut our skin. We need to work on a specific size chart. At Half Full Curve, we work with that. We like an empire line. is something that all curvy women will stay away from. But we promote that. We actually think that makes you look taller, gives you a clinched waistline. And you try one of our clothes, try the Empire line, and you will change your mind. Our half full fashion week shows as well as our shoots are all with real women. We are promoting real women, real stories. These women are extremely confident, beautiful in their own skin, and that's what they inspire us to be, and all the people who are looking at them. It's aspirational to see these women wear these beautiful clothes and strut along the runways or pose in our shoots. Another thing we definitely promote is no Photoshop. We do not want to hide anyone's flaws or body types. We believe you are beautiful the way you are. Your flaws is what your inner beauty is and what makes you stunning. So all our photo shoots do not have any editing where we change the skin color or the size or tweak them at all. So we believe in no distortion policy in our photo shoots. The runway shows have only real women walking for us across all body types, age groups. We have someone who's 18-year-old as well as 84 years old walking for us, and they're all gorgeous. The future for Half Full is to be a one-stop shop for everything that a curvy woman would need. We would want to do everything from basic white shirts to prints to semi-formal to couture to customized designs for bridal as well as trousseau. We want it to be something that you can browse through our website, and you have collections that you can explore and shop for every occasion and every basic need as well. Currently, we are available on our online store, which is halffullstore.com, as well as multi-designer stores across the country.